And what was found in there?
All this was silted up, and she was, I think she was on a holiday, and she was wandering around, and she saw this, I think it was a bison sticking out of the ground.
Who is this? So what's just some random woman?
No, she was an English archaeologist back in the 50s. You know, back then it was.
Yes.
And she used to come here for holidays, and just by chance, she saw this. She probably was snooping
It's
around.
a bit like what we're doing, wandering down a path.
I think she had an inkling that this would have been a good spot.
Okay, it's a good spot.
And then that was, yeah.
Because it's by the river.
Well, humans would have needed a river.
Yeah.
They would have needed shelter. And then the climate had adjusted for them to
Was the
thrive.
climate similar then to now?
Yeah.
So
It's warmer, I think, when it shifted.
oh, nice barbed wire. So it's not. I mean, it's protected.
Oh, yeah.
So in there. So what is it? Some sculptures.
I'll show you. I've got the thing at home.
We'll have a look. Yeah.
But they've discovered more with infrared. It goes on.
Oh, right. So the cave structure.
There's a 30 metre stretch that they've excavated, and they've found all these. But they think there's more. I don't think that's fun. Bullshit.
Well, barbed wire, not. I mean, it's good that it's protected, but it's actually should be accessible and. Yeah. Oh, look, that's a bit of a view of the cave there.
That gives you an idea.
So down there is where they found it. Oh, the actual one's covered up. So it's a bit of the cave, so we can't even see inside the cave.
I've actually been in there.
Okay, you can go in, can you?
I was working with this guy. I think he was a Air France pilot in Angles, and he had a dinner party, and he got quite friendly with me. And the archaeologist who ran the site, she was there. She said, "Let's all go and have a private viewing." And I'll tell you what.
Wow.
The atmosphere. I mean, you go to the facsimile.
Yeah, it's not the same.
No.
Well, just being here in the nature, I mean, it adds to it.
And it's awesome. I mean, there's a self-portrait. There's 3 stages of women's bits. bits. So they always did.
Okay, yeah.
Representation of all the animals, of course.
Wow. Okay, well let's have a look at the museum that they spent all the money on.